Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some Christmas gift box using stuff from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree and Walmart. I couldn't find the color of my Christmas tree, the color decor what I'm using for this year, which is blush pink. I couldn't find any boxes to go with it, so I decided to make my own. First, you're gonna need a crate box from the Dollar Tree, piece of fabric from Walmart, ribbons from Hobby Lobby, and your glue gun. I already cut them, and let's go ahead. So you're gonna need a piece to cut this way. Bam. So, just rubbing it around to see how it's gonna look, and I think it is perfect to go. So let's jump right into it as we decorate for Christmas 2019. I'm just gonna leave like an inch just to pick to the back. You can see right here, that's all I'm doing. Get some glue gun and press. Remember, the glue is very hot, so you gotta be careful, guys. You got to be careful.